What's this under?
Andy, did you send me one's Harrison?
Harrison and Qualls. You should have two separate emails.
Yeah.
Sergeant Miller, if you can hear me, can you turn your video on, please?
Oh yeah, sorry. Should be lower left. You there?
Perfect, thank you.
So we are going to arraign Sarah Luann Harrison, correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
This is a felony complaint. Miss Harrison, your full name for the record.
Sarah Luann Harrison.
You have an attorney present. He's going to put his appearance on the record.
Good morning, Your Honor. Daniel Batar on behalf of Miss Sarah Harrison. I've gone over the charges with her. We'll waive a form rating. Stand mute, please.
I'm entering a plea of not guilty. I'm going to schedule this matter for a probable cause hearing on Wednesday, March 24th, 2021 with Judge Green. It's going to be at 9:20 a.m. by Zoom. I'll release you on a $5,000 personal bond. You cannot purchase, consume, or possess any mood-altering substance while you're on that bond. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
Give me a minute. All right, case number is 21-0164.
Okay.
Judge, can I make sure you have her phone number? Do you have a number that ends in 5839 to put it on her court-appointed attorney sheet?
Do you agree with that, Ms. Harrison? Your cell number ends in the last four digits of
5839. Yes.
Dan 5839?
Yes.
Yep, we have it on file.
All right. Yeah, we're good on that contact information. And okay, I'm not ignoring everybody. I'm just doing some paperwork to make Andy happy. For the record, you have all the contact information, Andy. So for Ms. Harrison, we're good with the conditions of the bond, the $5,000 personal. We're all set, correct?
The only thing I don't have is an email address.
Did you
Andy,
shut it off?
Andy, go ahead.
I don't know
Only
what
thing
happened.
We had a
The
power
only-
outage. Power outage here.
Oh, okay.
Hey, Andy.
The only thing that I do not have is an email address.
No.
Harrison, do you have an email address?
No.
She has no email.
Then we have everything.
Good job. I was getting ready. Jumping into action.
Yeah, he jumped quick. He's like, I'm like, wait a minute.
That wraps up Ms. Harrison.
Oh,
Oh, man. Our power went out again.
I was doing that.
It could be the wind.
Oh.
The wind is strong today.
I wouldn't know. I ain't been out there in a couple days. Not to be a smart butt, but shit out.
The next arraignment is going to be Qualls.
You can have a seat. We're going to be a little bit.
Officer,
Did that mess up your internet too?
We're still on the screen, so I think we're working.
yeah, we're working.
We're okay. We're in the middle of the rain.
Are you good?
Yeah.
Like the tech guy.
This next one is Michelle.
It kicked on.
Yeah, kick that and then shut back
Luckily, I don't have the, we should have emergency back up. We don't have it in this room. Yeah.
Sergeant, you can hear me.
Backup generator?
We have a generator, but it's not.
Okay, so how does this bond work? I remember.
Oh, you're gonna get released.
It's not $5,000. It's
Hey,
a
Dan.
personal.
Okay, so if I mess up, then that's what I
They
have to
could
pay,
be
right?
5,000, yeah.
Dan,
You gotta listen to the conditions.
Yeah.
you can hear me,
Little
correct?
confusing. 5,000.
Yes, I can hear you.
Well, obviously, they can't hear anything on their end.
Yeah.
Are we visible? We've had a power outage here at the PD.
Yeah, you're visible. Can
Got
you
no
hear me?
audio.
No audio, no video, correct?
Yeah, they can't hear us or see us.
Andy,
Yep, I'm here.
call if you can and get one of those two officers just to call on their cell phone, and I'll do it that way.
Call your cell phone.
No, we want to put them on speaker so the attorney can hear.
Okay, so you want me to have them join Zoom on their cell phone? I'm trying to understand what you're asking. I apologize.
Forget it.
I know, right?
Well, Andy, I have, and Judge, I have something else I have to do right now quickly. Can somebody call me or text me or something when we're ready and I can come back on?
Sergeant Miller, it's amazing that we have their video and no audio. I usually have those guys' cell phone in my phone, but I probably don't. Dan, go ahead, Bill.
Thank you, Judge.
Yeah. I got coupons. Or is it maybe it's just them? I forgot what I was gonna ask about. He just distracted me. Oh, now as far as my car, I think, were you the
It's
one?
at the, yeah, it's at the impound yard, but it's not being pushed off or anything.
Okay, so I just gotta pay my towing fee and then like each day. So how much do you think it would be?
I don't know. Every towing company's, oh, Al's on the phone. Hey. Hey, Al. Yeah, we just lost power and it hasn't come on yet, but for some reason our laptop is on. No audio? You wanna put who? Qualls? Okay, come on, Miss Qualls. Okay, I'm gonna put it on speaker. Hold on. This is the magistrate, Hindman. And hello, Al, can you hear us?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm turning the volume.
Al Hindman, the magistrate. I gotta turn it on. Hold on.
Move it away from the laptop so.
Oh, maybe.
Yep, because it's gonna echo. There you go.
So Michelle, you can hear me, correct?
Yes.
The date and time sets for an arraignment in a case that you were originally charged with a police officer assaulting, resisting, or obstructing. Due to technical difficulties on Romulan Police's end and the scheduling of the MIDC attorney, he had to handle another matter. So I have your case and it's been reviewed by the probation department. Really a violation of probation. Do you understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
You failed to provide the court with 50 hours of community service, the documentation for that back in September of last year. Do you understand that?
Yeah.
So what the court would really like you to do is to produce the community service proof or do community service and bring the proof to the court. And they want you to also engage in counseling and with documentation of that counseling be brought to the court. You understand that?
Yes, Your Honor. So can I do community service at the 34th district still?
No, we don't do that anymore.
Okay, I'm in the area now. There's a lot more here than there was in Carson City. And I think it will.
Then you have a domestic violence case with an alleged report date of May 11th of 2020. That case. Hasn't been adjudicated, right?
Yes.
Hey, Andy.
Yep. I don't know if you can hear me, but I'm here.
Back on for a minute. Sergeant, why is there give me your comments on bond.
Let's see here. Hold on a second. I gotta grab the information. I don't helping Sergeant Miller out here. The department's asking for the bond of 10,000, 10%. Since there's two warrants, we thought they were failed to appear. No contact with victim, and that's all I have at this time.
Hey, Andy,
Yep, I'm here.
you're trying to get a hold of Dan, right?
I can tell him.
Hold
to
on,
go
I had
back
to
on.
turn this down. It was say it again, Andy.
I can have him come back on. I can let him know that we're ready.
Yeah, give it a try.
Okay.
This Walt, you still live on McBride?
You were cut down a little bit, Your Honor.
You live on McBride.
Yes. I was.
Okay. Go ahead and repeat.
Oh yeah. Yes.
You live on McBride?
I live on McBride.
Okay. Hold on, we're trying to get that MIDC attorney back.
Is he at home?
No. They're doing a lot of stuff remotely.
That's so weird. Sounds like it's trying to come back on.
Yeah, maybe it's like a brownout or something.
That's weird. The Wi-Fi's on.
Oh, this is still on.
Oh, because it's a backup generator.
Oh, yeah, because it's backed up, that's why. I'm like, oh, wait a second.
Magistrate, if you can hear me, I did hear back from the MIDC attorney. He said he's in the middle of another hearing.
They need the MIC attorney back on so we can finish this up.
Yeah.
Yeah, they have a few more things they finish up. I still need the date for your next appointment. It's a big power line went down.
Is it raining?
Is it raining? No, it wasn't, but it was getting windy. I don't know or something.
Hey, Andy.
Yep, I can hear you barely. I think it's coming through the speakerphone at Romulus.
We're
They
using
should know where
a
it was.
little crazy kind of connection to make this work. Ms. Qualls has not been arraigned for any hearings on the domestic violence case on case number 20-1097, correct?
She has been arraigned, but she has not had her pretrial yet. She was arraigned by you on May 12th of 2020, and she pled not guilty.
And she failed to appear, correct?
Let me take a look.
Ms. Qualls is saying yes, that she failed to appear.
She was scheduled
So
for
on that
pretrial. Go ahead, I'm sorry. She was scheduled for a pretrial October 6th via Zoom, and she failed to appear.
Okay. So Ms. Qualls, you failed to appear on October 6th. What happened?
Well, my court, I was actually supposed to come to 34th District Court, and it was a matter of transportation, and then just,
So the bottom line, you didn't show up, you couldn't get there.
yes.
We're gonna continue your not guilty plea. We're gonna schedule this matter for another pretrial with the Romulus prosecutor. Do we agree?
Yes, Your Honor. Oh, I'm sorry.
Andy.
Yep, I'm here.
So how are we gonna get her a new pretrial date for this case?
It's in the document that I sent you. If you go down, there should
Oh, I
be a,
gotcha. All right. Again, we're continuing the not guilty plea. We're gonna schedule this matter for another pretrial date on Tuesday, March 23rd this year, 9:20 a.m. with Judge Martin at the 34th District Court. Sergeant, the case number is 20-1097.
That's gonna be Zoom, correct?
Yes.
So I don't have to go to the 34th District?
No, Zoom. Just log in and show them, get a Zoom account. It's real easy. They'll give you numbers.
How did you come in contact with the police department? Why are you in custody?
The bondsman came and picked me up.
Okay. Oh, that's why they have those. And where'd that bondsman pick you up from?
The McBride Romulus Street.
So, Sergeant, let's jump back to your recommendation on bond.
Yes.
10,000, 10%. No contact with victim. I believe the victim lives at that address on McBride.
All right. Ms. Qualls, you have no contact with the complainant victim in the domestic violence case until this case is adjudicated. Do you understand that?
What do I do about my purse and stuff? All my money's there.
We'll talk about that.
Okay, yes, Your Honor.
Already contact, you can't send a message to a family member or friend. The victim's address is the address on McBride, Sergeant.
Yes, we believe so.
Yes, 34164.
34164 McBride, you cannot return to me in or around that address until this case is adjudicated. If you need to go there and get what you need between now and then, you can make an appointment with the Romulus Police Department for a civil standby.
Okay.
Your bond is going to be $5,000, 10% with those conditions.
Okay.
Case again is 20-1097.
Thank you, Judge.
All right.
Oh, what about my, all the community service and stuff?
That's reference to your other one, I believe.
So I need to be doing that now?
$5,000.
Hold on.
All right. Free address. No contact. Victim, no contact. No social media
Now we're still on. Do you still need us on the line?
No, I'm sorry, we're all set.
Okay, thank you. Take care. Okay, here, now we can talk. You can still go over there and get your property, but you have to have police officers to be present to make sure you get your stuff without, no problem. You can't go over there, if you're over there without police officers and you're, found you're in violation of your position, okay? It's $500, okay? That's not thousand. But, we just want to make sure that there's
Officer Karpinski. No, good afternoon.
All right, good afternoon, Judge.
I lost you because I was doing an arraignment.
Okay.
How did we come out on that pretrial?
This is Officer Karpinski.
Yep.
Yes, this is the one for the stop sign, Judge.
Yeah, it was, trying to see. Was your defendant, I put you in a room with the defendant or no?
No, I wasn't able to be in the defendant. I didn't speak to him.
And you're only here on one case, correct?
That is correct, Judge.
He's a default. You're all set.
Thank you.
You have a good day.
You as well.
This defendant was a default. He could not connect electronically, made several attempts. No audio on every attempt. Officer was present. Defendant defaulted, failed to appear March 11th, 2021. 11:36 a.m. Default, 11:36 a.m., March 11th, 2021, officer appeared. Dismiss case, officer failed to appear, March 11th, 2021, at 11:37 a.m.